Hi everyone, I'm Firlia Rizka Wandaline. I'm from grade 9. So here I will make strawberry pudding. Let's make it! First of all, prepare the tools and ingredients first. Here is a container for boiling, a spoon, a spatula, and pudding mold. Then the ingredients are strawberry pudding powder, strawberry fruit, strawberry milk, and water if necessary. Ta-da! Second, put the pudding powder into the container. Then add water and strawberry milk. And mix well. Oh my god, sorry. Mix well. Third, light the fire and bring it to a boil. After that, pour the boiling pudding into the mold and let it cool for some time. After waiting for a while, it's time to put it on a plate. Ta-da! After that, add strawberries on top. And now we can eat. Hopefully this video can be useful for all of us. Good luck, thank you, and see you guys. Bye bye.